Welcome to the creative classes of Department of Geography. Today's topic is geometric process that it is encompassed to just 4 semester students of ADP College. So I'll discuss about the process geomorphology in detail. Hello, সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাইছো আমাৰ ক্ৰিয়েটিভ ক্লাছ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট অফ জিওগ্ৰাফি এডিপি কলেজ আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ লগত উপস্থাপন কৰিব বিচাৰিছো the process of geography process what is the mean by the process in geomorphology. So geomorphic process বুলি ক'বলৈ যাওঁতে আমি প্ৰথমতে জানিব লাগিব যে what is called geomorphology. আমি ইতিমধ্যে আগতে পঢ়িছিলো যে have learned already that geomorphology is basically 3 words. It's called geo means morpho means structure and logos means study. So branch of geography deals with the dynamic relief features of the earth surface. That is the basic way we can say it. In geomorphology, the geomorphic process is a very important thing. আমি যদি এই geomorphic processৰ বিষয়ে জানো তেতিয়াহলে আমি গুটি জিওগ্ৰাফিত থকা গুটি ঘটনাখিনি ভালদৰে বুজিব পাৰিম পিছলে গতিকে geomorphic process is a very important process যেটোৰ দ্বাৰা পৃথিৱীখন সদায় আনষ্টেবল হৈ থাকে. It's always in unstable positions. গতিকে it is basically the two type of forces আমি আগতে পঢ়িছিলো যে always acting, sometimes it is inside the earth surface আৰু কিছুমান শক্তি বাহিৰৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়া কৰে. This is called exogenetic earth surface. ইতিমধ্যে তোমালোকক মই process geomorphology নোটস তলত দিয়া আছে. নোটসটোৰ ওপৰত আমি ডিসকাশন কৰিবলৈ লৈছো. The geomorphic process has already been told to you, has already been discussed in the previous videos. গতিকে ইয়াত কি কোৱা হৈছে the process কাক কোৱা হয় আৰু এই নোটসটো দিয়া আছে. নোটসটো পঢ়ি চাবা. তাৰ ভিতৰত যদি কিবা ডিসকাশন আছে পিছত ডিসকাশন কৰিম. Geomorphic process means those are the physical and chemical changes, physical stress বুলি কোৱা হয় and chemical changes through which the landforms undergoes changes. গতিকে পৃথিৱীৰ ওপৰত থকা যিবোৰ ল্যান্ডফৰ্ম যাৰ কাৰণে চেঞ্জ হয় তাকে কি বুলি কোৱা হৈছে geomorphic process বুলি কোৱা হৈছে. So geomorphic process সেইকাৰণে কি ধৰণে কোৱা হৈছে it can be divided into two, that is called the endogenetic processes or যেটো পৃথিৱীৰ ভিতৰত থাকে তলত হয় that is called endogenetic processes আৰু বাহিৰত যেটো হয় that is called exogenetic processes. So endogenetic processes operate inside the earth surface আৰু তাত থকা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ শক্তি থাকে that is called paleomagnetism হ'ব পাৰে, convection currents হ'ব পাৰে, যেটো কথা আমি ফাৰ্স্ট সেমিস্টাৰ তোমালোকক কথাখিনি আমি কৈছিলো. বা যেন হক এখিনি কথা ইয়াত just ৰেফাৰেন্সত আহিব. গতিকে those forces which are operating inside the earth surface is called the endogenetic processes. The endogenetic processes are of various forms. It is called diastrophic processes or sudden endogenetic processes. So diastrophics means those are responsible for the formation of a continents. So it is called epidogenic. It's responsible for the formation of a mountains. It's called orogenic. Suddenly বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ category কৰা হৈছে. গতিকে these forces are called the endogenetic process. So on that basis it diastrophism শব্দটো ইয়ালে আহিছে. গতিকে হেতু wrote down the word diastrophism for that. গতিকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথাবোৰ আমি আলোচনা কৰিলো এই নোটটো দিয়া আছে. গতিকে just go through these notes আৰু সবিন্দৰ সিং হক বা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কিতাপ তুমি থৰ্নবেৰী কিতাপখন হক বা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ জিওগ্ৰাফি কিতাপ তোমালোকে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰসেস কৰিব. কিন্তু all books are not actually very frankly speaking গোটে কিতাপখিনি কিন্তু যদি আমি পঢ়ো process geomorphology ইমান ডিটেইল বা ইমান ধৰণৰ সিম্পলি ক'বলৈ যোৱা বিচৰা নাই পৰা নাই তাৰ মানে ঘটনাটো যে থৰ্নবেৰী কিতাপখনত যিখিনি কথা আছে process the principles of geomorphology গতিকে থৰ্নবেৰীত কোৱা হৈছে যে those processes are those forces or processes refers to as the the actions of the earth surface or the processes that operate today operated throughout the geological history is not necessarily the same intensity as now. So these are the basic principles of geology jot ame processor kotha to mi pau. So on that basis ami process boli kaunte sadharonote দুটা ধৰণৰ ক্ৰিয়া হ'ব এটা হৈছে এন্ডোজেনেটিক so operating inside and exogenetic operating outside the earth surface. So exogenetic কথা কওঁতে outside কি হ'ব under the influence of the this temperature changes or gravitational pulls or এইখিনি যারা যেতিয়া পৃথিৱীৰ outwards rocks বা ইত্যাদি landforms এ ভাঙি টুকুৰা টুকুৰা হয় it is broken into pieces. This is called the exogenetic process. Exogenetic process a further divide it is also called denudations. You see, denude means to bear kati saman koribo lage gotike on that basis the exogenetic process exogenetic process can be divided into basically three things are there: of weathering, erosion and mass fastings. So weathering and mass fastings go hand in hand. Gotike weathering hoise kunata rocks particles because of the temperature change, pressure or some chemical reaction jodi bhangi tukra tukra has broken into pieces and deposit on that particular area in situ boli goa ase. So it is defined as the disintegration means breaking into part physically. So decomposition chemically part hobo. So disintegration and decomposition of rocks in situ means in that particular portion ote thakibo. So beyond that ki hobo these weighted particles are being transported hebor loi jabo transportation occurs about transportation loi jaunte landforms o katibo gotike transportation korte jibur agent jibur actions jibur activities jar dara hoy that particular agents that particular actions initiated by helped by the some by agencies is called agents. So it is called agents of erosions. So weathering is again tomaloke paisila agote weathering means অসমীয়াত কয় নগ্নি ভৱন বিচূৰ্ণী ভৱন ইত্যাদি কথাবোৰ হয় গতিকে it is called weathering is the disintegration and decomposition of rocks in situ as I have told you right now. গতিকে weathering process to physical হয় physical weathering jot temperature change hobo jak freeze and thaw boli koa hoy tar bisot koa hoy jen rainfall hobo temperature change hobo ketiba extreme range of temperature hoy অর্থাৎ ratipa dinot birat gorom hoy rati birat thanda hoy because of extreme range of temperature the rocks are broken into automatically physically bhangi jay. So these are the examples of with physical weathering. Then chemical weathering also there. So chemical means whenever chemical reaction takes place these six are already tomaloke school level ote paisa. So chemical weathering yet one example di dibo para jo hydrations oxidations hydrolysis solutions enuka dhornor alop specific ba alop scientific kothabor likhile bhal gotike chemical weathering equation to file chemistry jikhini science or asa teloke likhi diba chemical reaction ata maje maje it gives you some impetus or weightage to notes to dibo gotike ekhini kotha tomaloke notes to asa likhiba. After that jodi at kisu problem ase we will discuss later on gotike on that basis ako moi diar pot base kori eta video banam will go for that and whenever we discuss on that particular topic so this is a very basic idea of processes involved in the transforming of a land surface landforms. Gotike process is a very initial and very important topic. Gotike in these topics will give you the detail of the geomorphology. Gotike without knowing the process we cannot able to understand the geomorphology elsewhere in the world. So on that basis that I will revert koribo that is called fluvial processes in geomorphology. So fluvial process is an important chapter jetu ami next class ot ami alochona korim. Gotike this process will give you this chapters will give you to study the other topics in a very detailed or very effective manner, we can say that. Gotike ami jetu class thakiba tat ami fluvial process ba aeolian process jot morubhumit botahor kajyo ittadi bikhoye alochona koriba bibhinno landforms jodi water landforms hobo jot fluvial landforms hobo tat keneta drainage basin ka kwa jay ityadi kothabur ami alochona korim but this is a very important topic and you should know and jeto notes dia ase notes to mojo download kori jo upload korim he upload or tolot eta link dia thakibo link to এটা ক্লিক কৰিলে হল আট কোৱাৰ লগে গুগল ড্ৰাইভত যাব আৰু ড্ৰাইভৰ পৰা ডাউনলোড কৰি গুটে কন্টেন্ট খিনি ডাউনলোড কৰি এবাক পঢ়ি চাব লাগিব তাৰ পৰা আমি নোটছ খিনি বনাব লাগিব কাৰণ এতিয়া আমি পইণ্ট বাই পইণ্ট আমি নোট দিয়া সম্ভৱ নহয় গতিকে ইউ জাস্ট গো থ্ৰু দিস নোটছ এণ্ড hopefully তোমালোকে ইয়াৰ পৰা will get some important information from there আৰু নোটছ to মই বনাই পেলাই দি দিছো তোমালোকে বনাই পেলাই মোক দেখুৱাবা and hopefully we'll come back soon and thank you very much